What's good? Let's get plugged in and powered up. I'm your connect for everything tech. It's your boy BT, the tech plug. What's good, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. And as you seen on the thumbnail, you seen Chinese Android boxes reloaded 2025. So I know you wonder, like, man, what the hell does that mean? And what I mean by Chinese boxes reloaded 2025 is utilizing a particular program which is called VLC. And if y'all been in the tech space for like a long time, whether it's been Linux, Windows, um, Mac, or Android, this program has been resilient and it can just about play any type of content. I don't care if it's like you had an old flip phone and you got video off of a flip phone. Yes, I've gotten video off of my old upright and flip phones, and this program actually still plays it, right? It plays just about anything. So it has the codecs built into it. And so my take on this, the Chinese boxes, I know a lot of y'all, I don't know if y'all still got these or if they reside in your home, because so many content creators had gave these T95s and these Chinese boxes just such a bad name. Nobody really don't want nothing to do with them, and that's completely understandable because you probably don't want your network getting hacked or whatever, man. I don't know. It's at your discretion, man. But if you don't feel comfortable like dealing with these type of boxes or whatever, you can always make up a Gmail account, and you can log into it, on your net. You can log on your network, excuse me. You can log on your network so you can at least make a Gmail account or download any new programs if you don't have like an APK, right? So so pretty much what I'm saying, if you came from that era where you had a Plex server, or you find yourself ripping like all your old content to your hard drive, whether it was a DVI, or AVI, DivX, MPEG, MP4, all those old files, you could pretty much put those files on a flash drive and play them back with VLC. And if you're not familiar with VLC, it's the actual program that I got actually highlighted in the background. So give me one quick moment. I'm just gonna enlarge the screen and kind of put better context on it. Yeah, it's VLC, and just keep in mind, this program has been around a long time, and like I said, it plays just about anything. And if you have old content and you want to play it back, I'm actually going to go over that in another video, because I just recently started this channel, and I'm just trying to get some content going on here, and kind of pique our interest and see what I got going on over here. And then as you can see, my local network. I do got a NAS. This is probably like my laptop, but aside from that, but like I said, if you do have any type of content, you can pretty much like play it back, So I'm not gonna go too in depth, due to copyright reasons. But like I said, you definitely could reuse these devices and breathe some new life into them. If you don't want to take your more expensive devices with you on the go, if you have a family vacation or whatever like that, what I'm saying, you can pretty much load these guys up and If you have that old ripped content that you personally own, you know, you can pretty much just load it on these old Chinese boxes. I know a lot of people like, man, I'm not feeling that, bruh. But I'm telling you, you know, for all those people that's like kind of transitioning from like your DVD players and all that, you know, this is like a perfect option for those people that want to, you know, look at old content that they have, or if you were sharing with like family and friends or whatever, you know, this is an option. You know, if you have these old boxes laying around. So, what's your take on this whole thing, man? Will you think I'm crazy for like uh, giving the old Chinese boxes a try? Would you potentially want to, reuse one of these things and just revisit? You know, so let me know in the comments below. You know, just let me know if I'm crazy. If you think I'm crazy, then I mean that's just what it is. But it is a really inexpensive solution, you know, in reusing old tech that nobody uses no more. All right, so I appreciate y'all listening to what I have to say, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.